It's a beautiful time out here in the evening. What's going on, everybody? So, killing two birds with one stone, and I wanted to make a quick video. First of all, what I mean by killing two birds with one stone is I got a subject I want to talk about and share with you guys. But I'm also recording the audio with the Pixel Buds. Since now with the Gcam app, you can record using your Bluetooth earbuds for the microphone for your video. So you don't have to rely on the microphones on your phone and be too close to it. So I can sit back and chill and I'm looking at this storm come rolling in. The sky's darkening out and everything, so we're about to get some rain probably tonight. But I wanted to jump on here and say something like there is something that I regret about the way and how I've done my videos and what I've talked about. And I think I've caused some mass confusion. So, yes, I like Google Pixel phones. Yes, I like using the service Google Fi. Yes, I like Google products. But that doesn't mean that everybody has to agree with me. If you like something else, I want you to share what you like when we have conversations. When I'm on a live stream and I'm talking, I want you to share. And wow, just because the storm came in, it just really made things a little darker. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this video done. But I don't want people to feel like that they have to like Google Pixel phones or that they have to agree with everything that I do. And let me remind you guys something. I'm also a big like enthusiast of tech. So while I like my Google Pixel phones and I like Pixel products, I do like other things other than Pixels. I like OnePlus. This is the OnePlus N200, and even though I did a short review on it because it's not a brand new phone, but it's new to me, I shared my experience with it, and it's not in the shelf. It is one of the phones that I carry with me. I actually carry four phones with me: the Pixel 5, then I carry the Pixel 6, which is running visible, and then I carry the Pixel 5a, which is running Google Fi. I carry these phones with me. Not because I want to look like I have money by having four phones, like no. But I carry these phones with me because at any given moment I may have an idea to test something or shoot a video about something, and I want to have them on hand to be able to do it. And two, it's just insane how all these phones perform. It's really hard to just stick to one and only use one. Um, So yeah, I like other phones too. I like iPhones. I've used iPhones. I like them. Um, there's just things about iPhones that, or Apple, that I disagree with. There's a reason why I don't use them as much. What I want to say to people is like today it just seems like we're getting too caught up in these brand loyalty things, right? And even I look at myself and I wonder, like, am I sounding like a brand loyalist because I'm constantly pitching how much I like Google Pixel phones? But then I also gotta say, no, I'm not brand loyalist because at the end of the day, I can use something different, and I like trying other different things, and things that I like end up staying in rotation. But on top of that, I don't expect everyone to agree with me and to like what I like. I want you guys to like what you guys like. Okay? We're shooting straight now. I want you guys to like what you like. When I do my live streams, if you feel something is better than the pixels, I really would be okay with you guys saying that. I'm not gonna block anybody or, you know, I'm not that type of person. Like drama on social media is just super lame. Drama, we don't need it. I don't like to participate in it. I sure as hell don't care, you know. I worry about my friends who deal with it and I worry about what they're going through and I try to be there to support them, to be an ear for them to vent their frustrations with. But I don't condone nor do I care about having drama and stuff like that. So, you thinking another phone's better than what I think is better, it's never going to be something where I say, okay, well, you can't come back here, you're blocked. I will never block anybody for liking something different. I want to make that clear. And I am always open to listen to other people's suggestions on what they like because I want that helps me get to know somebody. We're all different in our own ways, and how we use our phones and stuff is very different from each other. And I think that needs to be celebrated more because I don't believe in the one mindless herd effect. I believe in everybody being individuals and celebrating the individualism of everybody. while also having a common ground to unite together. We all like mobile tech. In some form or fashion, we all like mobile tech. We like smartphones and watching unboxings and reviews of them. We just don't have to like the same ones. Please take this message very serious for me, because I would never do that to anybody. Okay? And as long as you're cool with me, you'll never get blocked. And what I mean by that is that you can tell me that you disagree, that the phone I like isn't the best, and that the phone you like is the best. You won't get blocked for that. But if you go in a very immature way about it, yeah, you will. Anyways, that's all I have to say in this video. That's all I got for right now. Let me know how the audio did. I think I'm just gonna upload this as a raw video, no editing, so you guys can hear like the surrounding noise. So just let me know. Talk to you on later. As always, Aloha. Beep.